In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Notion. By the end, you'll have your Outlook account securely linked so you can take advantage of Outlook powered features inside Notion without juggling multiple apps. First, open Notion and sign in to your account. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Both work the same for this setup. Make sure you are in the correct workspace, especially if you have more than one. If you are connecting a work Outlook account, it's a good idea to confirm you have permission to add integrations in that workspace. Some organizations restrict this, and you may need an administrator to approve it. Next, head to Settings in Notion. You'll find this by clicking your avatar or workspace name near the top of the left sidebar. Then selecting Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for the Notion AI section. This is where Notion centralizes certain connected features and apps. You are not creating an API token here. You are simply authorizing Notion to work with Outlook through a secure connection. Within the Notion AI area, find the Notion Apps section. Here, you'll see a list of available apps and integrations. Locate Outlook and click the plus icon next to it. That plus icon is your Add or Connect button, and it starts the authorization flow. If you don't see Outlook listed, try updating your Notion app or switching to the web version in a desktop browser. Then check again. In managed workspaces, the list can be controlled by admins, so you might need approval for it to appear. After you click the Outlook plus icon, a Microsoft sign-in window will open. Choose the correct Microsoft account, work, school, or personal, depending on what you want to connect. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. You'll then see a permissions screen explaining what Notion is requesting. Review the details, and when you are comfortable, click Accept to grant access. This securely links Outlook to Notion without sharing your password with Notion. It's handled through Microsoft's authentication system. If you are using a company account and see a message that admin approval is required, that's normal. Reach out to your IT team to approve the connection. When the window closes, you should see Outlook listed under your connected apps, confirming the link is active. That's it. Your Outlook account is now connected to Notion. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.